A detailed description of a modern facade collection. Modern facades represent the visual identity of contemporary architecture, serving as the first and most powerful expression of a building's character. This collection of modern facades has been designed to reflect innovation, elegance, and functionality, while responding thoughtfully to environmental conditions, urban context, and modern lifestyles. Each facade within the collection balances form and function, combining aesthetic clarity with advanced material usage and refined architectural detailing. Architectural concept and design approach. The core concept behind this modern facade collection is simplicity with purpose. The designs avoid unnecessary ornamentation, focusing instead on clean geometry, strong proportions, and a clear architectural language. The facades express modernity through sharp lines, layered volumes, and a harmonious relationship between solid and void. Rather than relying on a single stylistic formula, the collection explores multiple interpretations of modern architecture. Some facades emphasize horizontal continuity to convey stability and openness, while others adopt vertical articulation to enhance elegance and visual height. Despite this diversity, all designs share a common philosophy: clarity, balance, and timeless appeal. Massing and volumetric composition. The massing of the buildings plays a central role in defining the modern character of the facades. Volumes are composed using a dynamic interplay of protruding and recessed elements, creating depth and shadow throughout the elevation. This three-dimensional approach transforms the facade from a flat surface into a sculptural composition. Cantilevered balconies, framed openings, and layered slabs contribute to a sense of movement and visual rhythm. The careful manipulation of volumes allows the facades to respond to functional requirements while maintaining a strong and distinctive architectural presence. Color palette and visual identity. The color schemes in this modern facade collection are intentionally restrained, relying on neutral and earthy tones to achieve elegance and longevity. Shades of white, off-white, light gray, charcoal, beige, and sand dominate the palette, providing a calm and sophisticated visual identity. Accent colors are introduced selectively to highlight specific architectural elements. Dark metal finishes, natural wood tones, or textured stone surfaces are used to create contrast and depth. In some facades, monochromatic compositions emphasize form and shadow, while in others, subtle contrasts enhance articulation without overwhelming the overall design. Materials and finishes. Material selection is a defining aspect of the modern facades in this collection. Each material is chosen not only for its aesthetic qualities but also for durability, maintenance efficiency, and environmental performance. Concrete and plaster finishes provide a clean and contemporary base, often combined with natural stone cladding to add texture and a sense of permanence. Aluminum composite panels, glass curtain walls, and high-performance glazing systems contribute to a sleek and modern appearance. Wood and wood-look materials are used strategically to introduce warmth and human scale, particularly in entrance areas. Balconies and shading elements. Metal accents including steel and aluminum add precision and refinement, reinforcing the modern architectural language. Openings, windows, and transparency. Windows and openings are treated as integral design elements rather than purely functional components. Their size, proportion, and placement are carefully studied to achieve a balanced facade composition while maximizing natural light and ventilation. Large glazed openings create a strong connection between interior and exterior spaces, enhancing transparency and openness. Floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass panels emphasize modern living concepts and blur the boundaries between inside and outside. In contrast, smaller or recessed openings are used where privacy or solar control is required. Window frames are typically slim and minimalist, reinforcing the clean lines of the facade design. Shading devices and environmental response. Environmental performance is a key consideration in this modern facade collection. Shading devices are integrated seamlessly into the architectural design, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes. Horizontal louvers, vertical fins, perforated screens, and deep balconies help reduce solar heat gain while creating visual depth and rhythm. These elements are often designed as part of the facade's composition, enhancing its identity rather than appearing as add-ons. The facades are designed to respond to climate conditions, orientation, and site context, ensuring comfort, energy efficiency, and sustainability without compromising visual appeal. Balconies and outdoor spaces. Balconies are treated as extensions of the interior spaces and as important contributors to the facade's character. Their design varies from bold cantilevered forms to recessed, sheltered terraces that enhance privacy. Glass railings, metal balustrades,